I pray for your long life and good health for the sentient beings, Your Holiness. My question is, as a Buddhist, every in the world, all Buddhists they consume the meat a lot, and then we have a debate that the Muslim people what they said is that if there is no buyer, there is no killer. So since the Buddhists are eating the meat, the Muslims were used to kill that animals. So what I feel is that what is the reason behind that we Buddhists, actually it is against the religion. So what is the reason behind we Buddhists consumes lots of meat? So that's the question.
Actually, the Buddhist monk, no personal kitchen. Baking bowl, carry baking bowl, and go. And then one family, which non-vegetarian, they give non-vegetarian food. You should accept. And then those who family strict vegetarian, they give food. You have no right to demand, I want this and that. Say Buddha, no kitchen. And all these great masters, you see, they carry a baking bowl like that. And then in Buddhist sort of text, some text, you see, certain sort of the or kasur shukti. Chabal shomai no kasa, then duet shishor kasa. Ka ho, cheno kanda.
Nam dünk.
But Vinaya Sutra, there is some distinction. Certain meat prohibited. So certain meat, okay. So in any way, you should not eat meat out of your demand. Meat available, then okay. And then some text is strictly emphasis we should be vegetarian, like that. So I think many Chinese Buddhists and Vietnamese Buddhists very strict vegetarian. Tibet, I think the geographical sort of situation in northern part of Tibet is no vegetation, no fruit. So, and because that circumstances, you see, we not very much emphasis vegetarian. Then, after we came to India, the plenty of vegetable, fruit. Therefore, all those big monastic institutions, their common kitchen, now, I think at least 20 years, you see, we strictly also using vegetarian food, no longer any non-vegetarian food. And similarly, some institution, including some school, their common kitchen, not serving non-vegetarian food, like that. Then my own case, 1964, I decided become vegetarian. So then, according to my friend, I took a lot of nuts. So then I remained vegetarian, as a vegetarian, around 20 months. Then I developed problem, the gallbladder problem. Then whole my body become yellow. So sometimes I jokingly telling, at that time I truly become living Buddha. So whole body yellow. Not through spiritual practice, but through illness, bodily speaking, I become living Buddha. So then, I think a few weeks, very serious. And then, according to allopathic medicine and Tibetan medicine, they advise me better now return the previous my diet. But then I take meat, including my own kitchen, and many serving vegetarian food like that. And I, because of that, so occasionally take a non-vegetarian food. Like that. So now it is really encouraging in Europe and I think America also. Now more and more people now showing interest about vegetarianism. This country, India, I think the vegetarian food, wonderful, very good. In Bhutan, I don't think much of vegetarian food. I think mainly is samba.
Nowadays we have maximum vegetarian.
Your survey. Wonderful. So it is really, I think when we see beef farm and fish, people, no feeling about fish, their life. Limitless fish. And then beef farm. The environment because of the issue also used in beef farm, very harmful, like that. So it is useful to promote vegetarianism. Very, very good. Very important. Okay.